The MBTI instrument, the actual assessment test, was actually designed not only to indicate the MBTI type and the preferences, but also to look at the whole individual. Unfortunately, most people don't even realize this. And there's been a lot of information and research done on how to use MBTI in education. So we want to look at this, and especially in working with individuals as a teacher, a counselor, or a principal. We want to be able to deal with the whole person. So educators, or those involved in education, are involved in helping to nurture the entire person as well as the academic growth of students. And they can use an MBTI good type theory in order to develop and assist in these endeavors. So some interesting facts about education within each of the types. An ISTJ is considered to be one of the most adaptive and even creative learners. They are also one of the top 2 types among any teacher who specializes in industry and technical. They are among the top 4 types for college grades, meaning the best grades of all. An ISTP is rated by psychologists among the 3 types to have most likely trouble in school. They're frequently among high school students who have remedial education or in the at-risk program, and they're highly represented among the male college scholarship athletes. They also have the lowest college retention. An ISFJ is the second most frequent type among the education majors, and as teachers, they prefer a basal approach to their reading instruction. They also have been rated by psychologists as one of the 2 types that are least likely to have trouble in school, and they're also rated as being very skilled in working within dentistry, especially with the patients. An ISFP is projected, they actually use the least amount of time and space in their college essays to focus on the future. They are among the lowest in college retention. An INFJ is one of the 2 types with the highest grades for their first semester college and among the top 4 types for really undergraduate grades. They are among the top 2 types for undergraduate grades as well. They have the greatest persistence in college, and they are the highest persisters in any religion-related college. An INFP has a general advantage in any kind of foreign language. They learn foreign languages with great ease, and they're most likely of all the types to actually report suicidal thoughts in college. They're one of the 2 types most frequently among colleges that are actually going to violate that alcohol policy. An INTJ is among the top 2 types for their undergraduate grades, and they're one of the greatest persisters in a church-related college. They are participant learners. This means that they're going to go to class and they want to learn as much as they can with regards to the course content. They use the greatest number of years and space in their college essays to actually focus on their personal future. They're one of the 2 types with the highest first semester grades, and they are reported as being one of the 2 types with the most frequent female student affair officers as well as resident assistants. The INTP is most likely to take a foreign language. They very will excel at this. They also are related by psychologists among the 3 types that are likely to have trouble in school, and they also tend to violate that alcohol and drug policy. Among females, they have the greatest persistence in engineering.